It is the school holidays, and Daddy Elephant is bringing Ellie and her friends to the beach to play. The elephant kids are so excited. They have brought along their swimwear and tools to make sandcastles. Splish, splash! The elephants are playing in the sea. Suddenly, Elvis steps on something and exclaims,
"Ouch! What is that?"
"It's an oyster," says Ellie. She picks up the funny-looking oyster, and as she takes a peep into it, she sees something white in the oyster. The more Ellie touches the oyster, the more white fluid it produces. "What's this?" Ellie asks curiously.
It's a fluid the oyster produces. When a grain of sand gets inside the oyster, it causes the oyster to hurt. The oyster would produce a white fluid that would cover the sand. This would make the oyster feel better. Finally, a pearl would be formed within the oyster,
explains Elton.
Wow! Something good can be turned out of that?
Elvis wonders.
Yes! Isn't that great? God cares for a little oyster and turns what is bad for the oyster into something good.
Ellie agrees.
Do you think God can help me with my bad grades? I have a bad memory and I can't always remember what the teacher teaches in class,
asks Elvis.
Sure, he can. Just ask him.
The rest laughs.
Do you think God can restore our sandcastle? The waves are sweeping it away,
Ellie shouts. The elephant kids run to protect their sandcastle. Children, just like the oyster, God is able to take the bad things in our lives and turn them into something good. The problems you have right now may be causing you pain, and you may not understand why things are turning out this way. However, God can take away your pain and problems. Just give them to Him.